Captain Underpants and the Corrupt Crulelius Sneezer by George Beer and Harold Hutchins. So one day, Captain Underpants was at a pizza place called Go Big or Go Rome Pizza. And he went to the bathroom to wash his hands. His locket with the picture of his dad fell into the toilet. And he was like, all like, Dad! And he dove in and go after it, but it was a time toilet. So he got transported to ancient Rome. But it was like time. So he flew around Rome on rocket lookout, lifting up buildings. And he was all, Dad! Stay where you are, I'll find you! And Emperor Julius Caesar was riding by one of those couches on sticks, and he was all, "You're jacked, yo! Be my best new gladiator." But Captain Underpants was like, "No thanks, I'm a napper, not a fighter," and fell asleep, standing up to prove, and was all, "Honk shoe, hi dream waffle bats, honk shoe." Caesar was so mad and fell off his couch and into a cauldron of 5-alarm Roman chili. Some chariot tailgaters were making it in the parking lot. The chili was so spicy, it turned Julius Caesar into the nose monster, Crulelius Sneezer! Roar! Roar! The sound of a guy becoming a nose woke Captain Underpants up. And Crulelius Sneezer was all, "No one says no to the nose!" And he fired an actual snot rocket, so Captain Underpants snot rocket. And Captain Underpants punched the rocket in space. And that was the beginning of the new space programming. But that's unrelated. Crulelius Sneezer had more tricks up his nose. Like car tricks. And the one where you cut the lady into half with a saw. But after the show, Underpants was like, "I gotta stop this nose." And so he covered all the undies he had into Sneezer's schnoz. And Crulelius Sneezer was like, "I can't breathe, I give up." So they made peace and ate 5-alarm Roman chili. And when Captain Underpants found his locket in his bowl, he wept because he loved his dad. Also, the chili was spicy. Awooga times 5. Awooga, 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 awooga. And then he was like, "Do you guys know where I can find a time toilet?" And the Romans were like, "What's a toilet?" Oh no, the end.